southern bred, country to the core. Raised in the sticks on an old back porch by a mama and a papa who was skin that high for being anything less than American pride. Toe to toe, you know I'm knee deep in the grits. You can't hang with this country boy off in the pits. Jack 'em up, roll 'em out, let's see what you got. Apple pie in the mix, gon' take you a shot. I'm a top shelf hustler, true South soldier. Got money in the mason jar, my bank account's older. Hard pill to swallow, tough fact to follow. If you want it, you can get it, come on down through the holler. Plenty kinfolk that'll love to come harm you. Feed you to the hogs, got a plug with the farmer. A backwoods scholar trying to double every dollar. Yeah, they trying to hold me back, but I chew through my collar.
Rolling down the highway, back out on the road. Push that pedal, make that money to make our way home.
If you feeling how I'm feeling, let me hear you say. You get it how I get it, and you with me, holla. You're living like I'm living, and you with it, scream. All I see is headlights shining. I'm out here grinding. You gotta put your time in. Believe I put mine in. That's why I'm at the merch booth, autograph signing. My jar half full, sipping on the silver line.